home buyers, when you're at an open house, don't just soak in the ambiance. Be a detective too. Here are some things to focus on. And if you're new to my page, I'm Franco Ippolito, experienced full-time realtor in Ottawa. Always open to help buyers and sellers with their real estate goals. Number 1, structural integrity. Check for any cracks on the walls and on the ceilings. Are the floors level? Signs of structural issues are a red flag. Number 2, windows and doors. Open and close them. Do they open smoothly? Any drafts? Well-sealed windows and doors are crucial for energy efficiency. Waterworks. Turn on the faucets. Flush the toilet. Check for water pressure and drainage. Water stains and a musty smell might signal plumbing issues. Number 4, the electrical system. Flip switches. Check outlets. Make sure the electrical system is up to date. Flickering lights and warm outlets could be a problem. Number 5, the roof. If possible, eyeball the roof from the outside. Missing shingles or signs of wear and tear could be costly repair down the road. Number 6, check the appliances. Test the kitchen appliances and HVAC system. Knowing their age and condition helps estimate future maintenance costs. Number 7, neighborhood vibes. Wander around the neighborhood. Are amenities in schools and public services accessible? Talk to neighbors. What's your overall atmosphere like? Number 8, and one of the important ones that we always miss, storage space. Peek into the closets and storage areas. Sufficient storage is often a big plus. Remember this, an open house is an opportunity to scrutinize and envision if this could be your future home, sweet home. So if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Your real estate journey starts with a conversation.